Welcome to KO Culinary, where I bring my experience as a veteran chef to your kitchens. Today, we will be making Nana's pork chops. My mom made this often for us as we grew up. There is something about the sweet ketchup, savory onion, and tart lemon that all come together in yummy goodness after the pork chops bake. Prepare a 14.41 by 9.41 Pyrex baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Prepare a fry pan with cooking spray. Add a drizzle of olive oil across the pan. I also use a drizzle of toasted sesame oil, which adds more flavor. Place the pan over medium heat. Using metal tongs, add the pork chops to the pan. Season with salt, pepper, garlic granules, and onion granules. Fry for about 3 minutes on each side until lightly browned. Once all of the pork chops have been browned, place them into the prepared Pyrex baking dish. Add approximately 2 tablespoons of ketchup to the top of each pork chop. Place a slice of onion on top of the ketchup. Finish each pork chop with a slice of lemon. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 30 minutes, or until the pork chops reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. When the thickest part of the pork chop registers 165 degrees, remove the dish from the oven. Serve the pork chops on dinner plates. Some of our favorite side dishes are mashed potatoes and steamed green beans. Enjoy! Now it's time for the tip. Wash, dry, and cut an organic apple into 4 slices. Bury 1 slice inside your brown sugar canister, bag, or box. Seal the container well. The apple slice will help keep your brown sugar moist for several months. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear if you made the pork chops and how you like them. We welcome your comments. We also hope you share our channel with others. We are grateful that you are here with us. Blessings, KO Culinary.